think it's a good weather today.
Guys!
Hi.
Our class is cancelled.
Yay,
Let's
I
go
know that.
hiking.
Hiking.
Yeah. Why?
But I'm wearing baju kurung.
Then, what's the problem? You know what? To go hiking, you need to be comfortable. I am comfortable in slippers and my jeans. Ta-da!
But it's not the right outfit to go hiking.
It's okay. Let's just go.
I don't even have a backpack, you know.
What? You don't need anything, okay? Let's just go. Go. Okay.
Okay lah.
Oh my god! Ouch! Ouch! I think I got blisters on my feet. I think with wearing this comfortable attire will avoid me to sustain any injuries in hiking. I think I'm wrong.
Dah, wait for me.
Yeah.
Didi, faster.
Oh, what
I
happened?
think I'm having a chafing.
Oh my god! I think you should wear pants.
But I'm wearing baju kurung. I don't know it will be like this. Do you have anything essential or anything?
Let me look at my bag first.
I'm coming.
Didi, are you okay?
My face is burning.
Huh?
Oh shit, it's hot.
Other than that, do you feel any pain? Other place? Why? What's wrong with your feet?
I think I hurt my ankle.
You hurt your ankle? I think we should do a proper warm up before we go hiking.
We don't even know the right way to warm
I
up.
know, right?